Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase tax settings for US tax tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your internet browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find and select the tax tab. This will take you to the tax reporting section. Here, you will see options for connecting with tax software. Select the option to integrate with a tax software provider. You will see a list of compatible tax software options, such as TurboTax or TaxAct. Choose the software you want to use for processing your tax information. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the connection process. You may need to log in to your selected tax software account. Grant permission for Coinbase to share your transaction data. After authorization, return to the Coinbase tax settings page. Verify that the connection to your tax software is successful. Next, check the transaction history section within the tax settings. Ensure that all your cryptocurrency transactions are accurately reflected. If any discrepancies arise, you may need to manually adjust the transaction details. Once everything looks correct, save any changes you've made. Finally, download or export your tax reports as needed. You're now set up for US tax tracking through Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.